How to configure Microsoft Teams notification on Windows. Microsoft Teams does a great job of informing you about new messages and other activity, but it can get a bit overwhelming if you're in a lot of Teams. Here's how you turn off or customize Microsoft Teams notification. Teams will provide notification about chats, meetings, direct messages, mentions, other people's status, and even when someone you know joins your team. It will do this by adding a number to the Teams icon on the taskbar, making the same icon flash, playing a noise, and popping up a banner notification in the bottom left corner of your screen. And if you miss any of that, it will send you missed activity email. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Click your profile picture and then select Settings in the menu. In the Settings panel, click Notification. This is where you can customize all of your notification settings. Let's start at the top and work our way down. At the top of the notification are 3 options, all of which can be turned off. Missed activity emails. The frequency of emails sent to you when you miss a chat message, channel mention, or anything else worthy of an alert. This can be turned off entirely if you don't want to get a lot of emails, or at the best daily, so you can only get 1 email a day. Show message preview. Whether or not a pop-up showing a preview of message you're receiving is displayed. These are distracting at best and they get in the way when you're trying to type messages in Teams, so turn them off if you want. Plain sound for notification. Nothing breaks your concentration quite like a loud ding going off in your headphones. And while the Teams notification isn't the most irritating alert noise, it's still annoying. Turn it off here and get your peace and quiet back. The next section, Teams and Channel, covers messages in the standard post tab in every channel. You can choose for this section Custom. On the Custom dropdowns, you will have 3 options. Banner and Feed show the pop-up and also mark the channel with an icon. Only Show in Feed, mark the channel with an icon. And Off, don't show the pop-up and don't mark the channel with an icon. Personal Mention doesn't have this option because Teams won't let you turn off alerts entirely for mentions. You may want to choose different values for different dropdowns here. All new post is off by default, and that makes sense unless you're monitoring a channel for a reason. But you probably want at least only show in feed for replies to conversation I started. Once you're finished changing the dropdowns, click back to the settings. The remaining 4 options deal with specific areas of Teams. Chat covers notification for mentions, replies, and reaction in chat messages. That's direct messages between you and someone else, not general messages in the post tab of a channel. Meetings. Notification for when a meeting starts or when someone posts in a meeting chat. People. Set up notification to find out when specific individual become available or going offline. Other. Choose whether to get a notification when someone in your Outlook contacts join Teams. Click the Edit button next to each item and choose your notification options. When you've finished editing the notification, close the setting panel. After you've set your general notification, you can set notification rule for specific channel. Click on Teams tab. Hover over a channel, click the 3 dots icon to the right of the name, and then click Channel Notification. You can also manage notification for specific chat conversation. If you tap in the Chat tab, you will see all your previous conversation. To mute an entire chat with someone, hover over their name in the chat. Click the 3 dots icon and select Mute. From now on, you won't get any notification from this chat. To resume notification, hover over the name in the chat. Click the 3 dots icon and select Unmute. These are the main options for notification on Microsoft Teams on Windows. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.